Class 2 Science, Chapter 4, Animals. Today, we learn that animals that live on land, in water and in the air. Animals have special body parts which are used in different ways. Some animals are wild and others are tame. Tame animals help us in many ways. We get food and other products from animals. Animals, many creatures live on the earth. Some live on the land, some live in water, some can fly. Here we can see the animals that can fly, the creatures that can fly. They spend their time in the air. Here are some animals that live on land, and here are some creatures that live in water. Animals live in different places and live in different ways. Animals have different body parts to help them live. A giraffe has a long neck. It can eat leaves of tall trees. Children, you can see a picture of a giraffe. And from where it's eating leaves? It's eating leaves from the top of the trees. A cheetah has strong legs. It can run very fast. Cheetah is an animal that has strong legs and it runs very, very fast. A monkey has long, strong arms. It swings from branch to branch. Children, you are aware that monkey, you can see the monkey, no? In your school, we see the monkey jumping from one roof to another within no time. It doesn't waste any time. It moves so fast. Here are some parts of different animals. What do they use these parts for? Let's talk about these pictures. In the first picture, we have a camel. The camel has a hump. The hump has fat. This fat helps the camel to live without food and water for many days. In the second picture, we have a fish. The fish has scales in its body, and the scales are very, very important to the fish because with the scale, the fish can glide or swim very easily in the water. Even if we want to catch the fish while the fish is swimming, it slips from our hands easily. Then we come to the third picture. The third picture has a bird with a strong beak. The beak helps the bird to tear and eat the flesh of another animal. Then we come to the fourth picture, which is a tiger. The tiger has a strong set of teeth. This teeth helps the tiger to bite and eat its prey. Then we have an elephant. The elephant has a trunk. The trunk is very strong. This trunk helps the elephant to drink water, and also it helps the elephant to break branches and eat the leaves from trees, and it helps the elephant to carry things also from one place to another. Wild animals live in forest and jungles. Many wild animals eat plants. They eat leaves, grass, roots and green shoots. Here are some plant-eating animals. The panda, the squirrel, the deer and the giraffe. Some wild animals eat other animals. They have sharp teeth and can usually move very quickly. They chase and kill other animals for food. Here are some meat-eating animals: the tiger, the wolf, and the lion. Now, what is a scavenger? A scavenger is an animal that eats dead animals. Eat the flesh of dead animals. Scavengers such as the hyena, the wild dog, and the vulture eat dead animals. There's a hyena, the vulture, and the wild dog. These are some of the scavengers. We call them scavengers. Tame animals depend upon human beings. Some animals can be tamed. They are called domestic animals. Some live in a house as pets. Others are kept on farms. They help us in many ways. Now we can see these two animals. How do they help us? They help us by giving us milk, the goat and the cow. Many people eat flesh of these animals. The goat, the sheep, the chicken, the fish, turkey, and crab. These animals are birds. How do they help us? They help us by giving us eggs. They give us eggs, hen, duck, and goose. These animals give us silk, wool, fur, and leather. The crocodile, the sheep, the silkworm, rabbit, buffalo, and snake. So the crocodile and the snake, the buffalo, these give us leather. Sheep gives us wool. The silkworm gives us silk. The rabbit gives us fur. These animals work for us. The elephant, the donkey, the camel, ox, and the horse. They help us in many ways. We keep these animals as pets. They are our friends and they are useful too. Dogs guard our houses. Cats chase away mice. Protecting animals. Some animals are in great danger of becoming extinct. This means that soon there will be none left. We have to protect these animals. Can you think of ways in which we can save these animals? This is a tiger here, the panda, and the rhinoceros. The tiger is killed for its skin and bone. And the panda, again people kill them for the fur. The rhinos are killed for their horns. So we have to think of saving them, protect them from people, those who kill them. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, children. Thank you for attending today's class.